Hi, I'm James from Clevertouch, and today I'm going to show you how to put the CM series online so you can use its inbuilt digital signage. So the CM series itself can be quite confusing because it comes with two networks, one of which can be used for firmware updates, setting the time, etc. And the other one is for our inbuilt lighter version of digital signage. If you did want something more comprehensive, there are two players, media players, that you can purchase separately, which will enable us to do a lot more. So first step, if you want to get the inbuilt digital signage online, you're going to scroll to the digital signage input with the remote, and then you'll probably see something like this. The next step you want to do is hit back on the remote, and then you'll probably come to this page. Then within this page, you want to ensure all apps is highlighted, as you can see down here. Press the OK button on the remote, and then scroll to the settings. Then within the settings, you're going to scroll to network, turn the Wi-Fi on, and then you'll see your available networks there. You can then choose whichever one you want to go to. Once you've chosen, press back, scroll back to Clever Message within the app section, and then you'll see this will connect. The next step, the last step that you have to do, is you can see here once connected, we can then click here to get connected just by pressing OK. The PIN code will appear. We can scroll to clevertouchlive.com, either create an account or log into our existing one, go onto the screens tab, and then just type that PIN code in. For further information, please visit clevertouch.com.